welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy crochet natural hairstyle that you can rock. No braids, no cornrows. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb. So I'm just going to section my hair on the side right there, just a little straight line, because I'm going to be wearing this hairstyle in a side part. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm just going to take my detangling brush and then I'm just going to brush my hair all the way down, sis. Just a basic style. Oh my gosh, brush your hair all the way down. No gel, nothing, just brush it down, sis, okay? And then I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and secure my hair to the back. If your hair is short, that's fine. And then take this wig cap, just a basic wig cap that you can find. I'm going to be using this one. This is the basic one with the open top right there, so don't worry about it. We're just gonna fix this real quick, okay? And then I'm just gonna wear it, sis, so exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna tie a knot on the top right there, sis. So just basic, tying twice on the top and then just tack it in. That's about it. And then I'm just going to take the wig cap, push it to the back, that way my side part can show. I'm going to be using this Springy Afro twist hair. It comes 3 in a pack and I'm using 1 pack. It has 10 strands. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to be sectioning the hair into 3. This is how it is. It's nice and curly and juicy and bouncy, whatever. But I really want to make this into like a really nice afro. So I'm just going to be separating the hair into 3. I'm going to start placing the crochet hair on the corners. That way my wig cap is nice and secure. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing the crochet needle in, opening the latch, placing the crochet hair on the needle, close the latch and pull it out. And then I'm just going to tie it once, guys. So once is enough, sis. So you don't have to do like twice or anything. Once is nice and secure. Just starting from the back, we're just gonna start filling the hair in, and that's about it. This hairstyle is a lifesaver. This took me 30 minutes to do all this. I'm telling you, very quick, very easy. You can rock this hairstyle for a week, sis, okay? And then I'm going to start securing the hair, you know, just placing the crochet needle in, open the latch, you know, place the crochet hair on the needle, close the latch, and then pull it out. While I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to my sister, Tandy. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for being my #1 fan, sis. I love you. That's at Market Siwiri. That's my ride or die. Okay. This is a very quick style for all my sisters who cannot braid, who cannot cornrow, but still want to have like a nice protective style situation going on. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this hairstyle this week, sis, because you can rock this for a whole week and people will just be looking at you like, sis, when did your hair grow? Overnight? Okay. When you get to the front, you're going to start sectioning the hair, the crochet hair into like 4 pieces. That way it's really nice and thin and looks more and more realistic, like your natural hair. So what I'm doing in the front is I'm just crocheting on my natural hair. So I didn't want to do like gel on it so it doesn't slide or it doesn't, you know, get greasy or anything like that. So I decided I'm just gonna crochet on my natural hair, guys. And this is safe. It's not gonna break your hair or anything like that. Just don't pull it way too tight. Make sure you're not pulling your hair too tight, because you know that's your natural hair right there. You're trying to protect this hair or whatever. This is a very easy protective style. Oh my god, if I had like long hair, this is how I would be wearing my hair, sis, okay? Once once you get to the front right there, just make sure you start crocheting close together. You know, when you're tying the crochet, just tack it enough that way it doesn't fall out, but also that it doesn't break your hair. Okay, sis? Once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the hair, you know, just making sure I'm shaping it to my face. You know me, I love some big hair, don't care, but if you want, you can trim the hair more or whatever. Make sure you're shaping it to your face, sis. I'm just gonna do the illusion like it's growing out of my scalp. So I'm just gonna take this Diana brush and brush the crochet hair, not my natural hair now, sis, okay? So just the crochet hair, just to make sure it's nice and realistic. And then I'm taking this smooth just to make sure my hair lays and it also looks really, really natural, okay? And I'm just gonna take my scarf and, you know, tie the hair a little bit, and I'm using this edge booster just to lay my baby hairs down or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right there, just laying my baby hairs. That's about it. And baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, sis. I am living for this natural hairstyle. This looks like Miss Tupo just grew her hair overnight, sis. Okay, let me know if you guys are feeling this hairstyle. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this hairstyle right here. And I am just impressed on how my natural hair just blended real good with this hair, guys. Of course, you know, I gotta give you some styles here and there. I'm using this fierce scarf. This is from our website. You better check our website, sis. Okay, so I'm just gonna take our scarf, you know, and fold it, and then I'm just gonna place it on my head just exactly the way I'm doing, you know, just a little tie right there. And then tie it all the way to the back right there, and baby, this is a nice cute little style that you can rock using this hairstyle. I'm giving you some tips that you can rock this hairstyle with, okay? Some styles, some cute little styles. You know, it looks really nice and realistic in the front right there. Okay, I'm living for this style, sis. Anyways, I'm just gonna take this hair tie that I got, you know, cut in half or whatever. I'm just gonna place it on my head and secure it just exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm using this piece that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. I'm just gonna turn myself into a natural hair bride, sis. Okay, and Miss Bride is looking good or whatever. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style right here as well, because I am living for this natural hair, sis. Next, we're gonna use this same hair tie. I'm just gonna push it all the way to the back and have myself a little nice fro situation going to the back right here. Okay, hair out of my face or whatever, and that's about it. You know, I'm just feeling myself like an African queen or whatever, so I decided to take this Chema head wrap, this Chema Ankara head wrap. This is also on our website, sis. Okay, check it out. Support small business, sis. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take this Chema head wrap. Oh my gosh, I love this scarf. And then I'm just gonna take it and place it on my head exactly the way I'm doing and tie it to the back. And that's about it. And baby, I am feeling like a natural queen, honey. Yes, Miss African queen right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling this hairstyle. Let me know if you guys are loving this Afro situation going on. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to your girl. Let's get to 300K because it's up from here, honey. Okay. Thank you guys for all the love, the support, the sharing. Thank you guys for commenting on my videos. Oh my gosh, you guys are the real MVPs. I am nothing without y'all. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you share this with your bestie, your mama, your aunt, and your cousin, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.